Y'all ready for Pi Day? Hey, today is March 14th, 314, appropriately called National Pi Day. So, 314, and of course we know that pi is approximately 3.14159, and so on and so on. Since pi is an irrational number, we also know that it cannot be written as a fraction. Occasionally, students might use 22/7 as an approximation, and that's close for approximation, okay? And the official celebration begins on March 14th at 3:59. Actually, March 14th, I meant 1:59 p.m. because of the digits. 3.14159, and so on. Okay, and don't have any math jokes today because they would sound a little bit irrational, but also they would never end. But while reflecting on this, I decided to write, 3.14, and I wanted to reflect that about this line, and I would have a 4 reflected this way, the 1, and then the dot goes here, and then I would write the 3 inverted like that. So 314 reflected by the line, if I have this line as a mirror image, this would be the mirror image here, then I would say pi. Whoa! Okay, so while reflecting on that, this makes me think of the square root of -1, 2 cubed, and sigma, and the number pi. So this makes me think of what? 8 some pi, and it was delicious. So today's deals, because I know some of you are thinking, wow, this is really making me hungry here. So there are some deals by some national pizza chains. I know that Pizza Hut has a special offer today only, and on this deal they're offering $3.14 off any pizza, any size. So call your local pizza place. Also, Papa John's has a special deal, and Papa John's is offering buy a large pizza at regular price, get a large pizza at regular price, and the next pizza is for $3.14. So that's a bargain if you want to get 2 pizzas. If you want to just get one, Pizza Hut has one, any pizza, any size, for $3.14 off. Which is a better deal? Well, it depends on you. If you want to order more than one, maybe Papa John's might be better. I checked with Domino's, and I called their corporate office yesterday, and they said that most of their locations are franchise, and it's up to the franchise. So they might have special deals in your area if you call them up. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoy Pi Day today, but remember not to eat too much pie because it will give you a large circumference. Thank you very much.